Did you know a broke, unknown monk once walked into the world's biggest stage and stopped the room cold before saying a single idea? Chicago, 1893, the World Parliament of Religions. The greatest thinkers and religious leaders on earth all gathered in one hall. Swami Vivekananda had no institution, no money, no invitation, really. He borrowed funds just to get there. Then he stood up and said, "Sisters and brothers of America." The audience rose to their feet. 2 minutes of applause, and he hadn't even begun. What followed changed the Western world. He introduced Vedanta and yoga to people who had never considered Eastern thought seriously. William James called him the most remarkable man he had ever met. Tesla sought him out personally. No credential did that. No title. No platform. Just the rare power of someone who had nothing to prove and everything to give. The clearest ideas in the room always win. Not the loudest voice. Not the biggest name. Clarity is the credential.